Hey, beautiful soul. So this is my go-to green juice recipe that I've kind of tweaked from Lou Corona with the lemon ginger blast. I'm really enjoying just a little bit more simplicity in my green juices. I have 6 apples, 8 cucumbers, 1 lemon. Ideally, I want 2 lemons, but I just don't have them on me. I've got some ginger, turmeric, parsley and coriander. Simple, clean and absolutely delicious. It's my go-to that I have most mornings. This juice is packed with nutrients and the combination of herbs and roots to make it the most powerful for digestion, immunity and inflammation. Get that glowing, beautiful skin and heal from the inside out. It's really perfect for the morning cleanse and clearing your mind, starting your day strong. I quickly just want to say that why each of these ingredients are so powerful. Obviously combined together, it's just so powerful, but each individual one has its own unique, beautiful benefits. Apples, obviously, if you're not really into the bitter greens, can make it sweeter. So the more apples will make it sweet, but also it has so many great enzymes for breaking down the food. They're rich in antioxidants, fiber. They help support the liver and digestion. Cucumbers are incredibly hydrating and cooling. They help flush toxins, support the kidneys and bulk up the juice. So if you are on a budget, perhaps have more cucumbers. They're super gentle on the system. Lemons, even though look acidic and are acidic, they're actually alkalizing once they enter the body. Help cut through mucus, cleanse the liver, and help boost vitamin C levels. I don't actually throw the whole thing in. I actually do it at the end through a sieve so the stones don't go in. Ginger, a natural anti-inflammatory and digestion booster. It helps stimulate circulation and adds warmth in the juice, balancing the cooling of the cucumbers. Turmeric, another powerful anti-inflammatory root. It's amazing for the joints. So if you've got stiffness, this is incredible. Great for the skin and overall healing. When it's juiced fresh, it's way more potent than the powdered. However, if that's all you can do, that's totally fine, but fresh is always best. Parsley, a heavy metal detoxifier and kidney supporter. It's rich in chlorophyll, which help alkalize and purify the blood. And then you've also got coriander. These synergistically work so amazing together. Pulls out heavy metals too. It also supports the nervous system and helps with calming internal inflammation. So put as much in as you wish. I like to really go for it. Not actually measure too much really. I just get a handful. And here you go. These ingredients aren't random. Every one of them brings their own magic. Like I shared, energizes, cleanses, hydrates. It's like liquid light for your cells. And for those that are asking me about this machine, this is the Huron juicer. It's powerful. So we had a little bit of a leakage there because I haven't brought with me the actual ends of the actual proper containers, the ends of the juicer, but it's all good. We'll make it work somehow. So the goal really is to put your watery contents, foods, apples and cucumbers in first, layer it that so it juices it up, and then bring in the herbs, the turmeric and the ginger. At least for the base, the first part, put the apples and the cucumbers in. Now that has been done, all made, I then use, but this is when I do the lemon, just so that you can either use an actual squeezer or just use your hands. And ideally, I'd like 2 in this batch. This is a litre. And this will get me through at least 2 days, sometimes 3, maybe even a day if I fancy just a full day of greens. Some days I do 1 full day of green juices. 3 days I did recently. You can check that video out that I shared. And then I just stir it. And what I tend to do is put in this just to have very little fibre in. There you have it, green juice to start your day strong. Really nice. So you can have less apples or more. It's up to you and your taste. You may initially feel like you just want more sweetness, but some days, if you can, get the bit of greens in. I'm trying to reduce the amount of apples in my recipes and have it more bitter. But it's a gradual process, step by step, like the raw living lifestyle, step by step. So if you've got any questions on this recipe or any other recipes, or you want more of these type of videos or, more in-depth recipes and things, I do have that in my membership group, and I also offer one-on-one coaching as well. All that is in the description box below. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, also turn on the bell notification to be notified of when the next videos are. Be, feel, and stay Rawlicious.